just came out of recording an NDTV debate where Arfa Khanum Shirwani was part of the debate. जो मेरे दिल को सदमा पहुंचा है, मैं अभी तक रिकूपरेट कर रहा हूँ उससे. ओ हो मतलब irrational arguments कभी मैंने मेरी लाइफ में इतनी सारी एक साथ एक इंसान के अंदर से निकलते हुए नहीं देखी. इस बार देख ली और सुन भी ली. देखो, खालिस्तानी है ना, हमेशा शहीदानू पर नाम बोलते हैं. मैं वाकई में सारों मेरे को देख के बोलो प्रणाम कुशल नु, क्योंकि जो मैंने अभी झेला है आज, मुझे अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए. I deserve an award. I demand a Bharat Ratna, nothing less than a Bharat Ratna.
Government which is using its machinery against Muslims, it has used it on many occasions, whether it is bulldozers, whether it is bringing anti-Muslim laws,
will the Indian Muslim
or even
be
now
impacted?
this hatred which is being spread.
How will the Indian Muslim be impacted?
Yeah, just allow me some time. That's what I'm saying. I was not even meaning to, exactly, that's I'm coming to this. So I am saying the kind of scenes in this film. So I'll give you an example of one scene. In this particular scene, Sanjay Dutt says something to the effect when he refers to circumcision, which is khatna. And he literally refers to the genitals, the private parts of Muslim men. When Sanjay Dutt says that, first of all, how did, even if it's an A-rated film, how did the censor board allow such a demeaning thing for not just Indian Muslims, but Muslims in general, or men who have circumcised, genitals in general? So first of all that, and the way the crowd cheered after that very demeaning, denigrating,
but isn't Sanjay Dutt himself playing a Muslim character in the
dialogue
film?
Which was uttered by Sanjay Dutt. This is just one example, Padmaja, I've just given you. I can give you at least 1 dozen such example where Muslims in general, not Indian or otherwise, just Muslim symbols, how they've been attacked. I felt so uneasy.
Okay.
And remember, I am not even somebody who's like a deeply religious Muslim. I'm more of a social and cultural Muslim. Even then, I felt so deeply attacked, and I felt like I was being insulted sitting in that theater.
Okay, let me bring in quickly Kushal Mehra. Is these crude references are about a certain community? Kushal.
I mean, so actually, it's very interesting. I watched the movie in 2 separate theaters, because I had to take my family the next time. The first time I'd gone to like a run-of-the-mill theater, and I'm not even making it up, like the 2 rows in front of me was full of Muslims whistling and cheering the movie. They loved it. Just today, it's funny, I watched the movie and I came back and I'm talking to you guys. I had to take my parents out. The guy at the valet at Geo World Plaza, he was Sajjad. So, I get out of the car. He's like, bhai, is samay aaye. He recognized me. I was like, हाँ. ऐसा क्या धुरंधर देखना है? मतलब हाँ, वह मस्त मूवी है भाई. Like, I don't understand. So first of all, who is taking this role as the United Indian Muslim spokesperson? Like, I don't speak on behalf of every Indian Hindu. So I'm sure, I don't want to take, what makes Arfa the spokesperson of every single Muslim? Why weren't those two people, why wasn't Sajjad who told me, अरे मजा आ गया भाई movie देख के, देखो, or, the Muslims whistling in front of me. And there were women wearing a burqa, by the way. They were in the cinema hall where I was, and they were enjoying the movie. Look, I don't even understand how this movie's anti-Muslim angle has come. It's like, I have seen my Muslim friends crack far worse jokes in my private conversations about everything. I, as a disbeliever, like I am a very open, known disbeliever, I crack jokes about Hindus too. Like, I don't understand this whole business.
No, but there's a difference, right? In your private conversation, you cracking these jokes or your Muslim friends cracking these jokes, as opposed to a film normalizing what is a crude reference to Muslims, makes Arfa uncomfortable. And she's saying this just, very gently gets normalized, that it's okay to talk about an entire community in this fashion. It's like, a kind of a Islamophobic slur cannot be normalized by saying that, everyone uses it in their private life. Like a film using it normalizes it.
And also, Padmaja, it's not just about the Muslim community. Padmaja, just allow me 30 seconds.
Is that
just allow me 30
Hinduphobic?
seconds.
मुंह में राम बगल में छुरी. You know, is there an unnecessary imposition
क्या
of
है
some
ये?
kind of politics? Is your own politics, you know, coloring your view of the film, Arfa?
No, like this is perpetual victimhood, Padmaja.
Perpetual
This is perpetual
No,
victimhood.
Padmaja, what I'm
It's
trying
like
to
हर
say
चीज
here
में
is
मैं
that
अपना
leave
victim
aside
ढूंढ लूंगा.
how it impacts Muslims. First of all, this is a very privileged point of view, number one. Number two, leave aside for a moment whether it is affecting Muslims or not. I am saying just think about the Hindu population, think about the Hindu viewers, that what are you trying to tell them, how are you training them that their source of entertainment is demeaning, denigrating, cracking crude jokes on the other community?
Let me quote to you Hrithik Roshan, probably one of the most popular actors in Hindi film industry for decades. This is what he said. I may disagree with the politics of the film and argue about the responsibility as filmmakers that we bear as citizens of the world. This is Hrithik Roshan's statement. And frankly speaking, you can't dismiss that as just a casual observation. If Hrithik Roshan, who's part of Hindi mainstream cinema and a very popular actor, questions the politics of this film, we rather take it seriously. Point
Well,
number
then
one.
I can quote to
Can-
you
can I
Akshay
finish?
Kumar, who
Yes.
said,
You
let's talk
name
about
the movie.
Dhurandhar. No, we are not
Okay,
here
okay.
to
One
speak for
minute.
some old film.
On
Padmaja.
Kerala story, on Kerala.
From the same community of
Ideological
Kashmiri Pandits.
agenda
So what
of
was
the
agenda in
100
Kashmir Files? What
This
was
is the
propaganda in Kashmir
ideological
Files?
agenda
What
of the
about Article
BJP and
370?
RSS,
It tells
whether
the
it
reality
is
of the Hawala
Article
scam,
370
the reality
or
of the
even Triple
separatists in the
Talaq,
Kashmir
you
Valley.
just also
Why are you...
You please name to me which exact point in the film struck you as factually inaccurate and propaganda. Name one.
In the Kerala story,
Arey, talk about
speak about
Dhurandhar.
Dhurandhar.
I have not seen the film. Why should
No.
I? Why should I?
Why?
Why should
You
I? have
haven't
to
seen
comment
Dhurandhar, you
about
have a
it?
problem with it.
How are you debating
You
it
have
then?
already declared it
About-
propaganda without watching it.
Hello, Padmaja,
This is
listen.
laughable.
I don't watch a film which is very clearly driven with an agenda to make Mr. Modi look like the Hindus
How do
are
you
massacred. I'm
know?
not
Funny,
interested.
hilarious.
I'm
How
not
do you
interested
know
in
if
that
you
film.
haven't watched it?
Padmaja, I need to.
I have
How
read
do you
enough.
know?
I'm not
Padmaja.
obligated to watch a film in the first weekend. Have you read out the extract of the Film Critics Guild? Can you put it up on your show?
Okay.
Can you put
you
up
know,
what
you
the
are
Film
not
Critics Guild has
obligated
said?
to watch any film. Okay, very
Commentator,
quickly, Kushal, and I'm
for
coming to you,
God's
Alpha.
sake.
Very quickly, Kushal.
There are 3 points. It's actually shocking to me as a person who's just seen the movie twice. I actually think the movie does a damn good job at criticism of BJP and Congress, because it starts in the NDA kind of Vajpayee era and then goes into the Congress era and then goes later on, slightly later on. It actually is pretty balanced. I think it does not show Vajpayee government in any good light either. As a person that's what I extracted out of it. I think it was critical of both the government. So that, and as far as this propaganda bit is concerned, are we that naive? Like, I don't care. Seriously, I just go there. मैं अभी पिक्चर में जाके मोरालिटी के लेसन्स नहीं ले रहा हूँ, मैं एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए जा रहा हूँ. भाई मेरे से क्या क्या उम्मीद रखते हो? मतलब एक आदमी पिक्चर देखने जाए, उसके अंदर फिर वो जेम्स बॉन्ड के जैसे प्रोपेगेंडा ढूंढे, फिर उसके बाद भाई मैंने 500 रुपया खर्चा किया पॉपकॉर्न का और 200-300, मैं जाके पिक्चर देखने वाला हूं. तुम मेरे से क्या क्या रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट की उम्मीद कर रहे हो भाई? और ये आप एंड टू हैव दिस नाइव एक्सपेक्टेशन, मतलब हम क्या है? ओ भाई CIA 1960s में करता था प्रोपेगेंडा अपने देश के लिए. मतलब you know what worries me is there are people in this country who think the state apparatus, whether Congress or BJP, should not do propaganda against Pakistan using movies. ओ भाई कौन से लोग हैं ये लोग? मेरे को तो इनसे डर लग रहा है गवर्नमेंट से कम.
Arfa.
बहुत शॉकिंग बात मुझे यहाँ ये लगी कि हमारे दोस्त को दूसरी कम्युनिटी का जब अपमान हो रहा है और जलील हो रही है वो कम्युनिटी, उनको वो एंटरटेनमेंट लग रहा है. कल को इस तरह के लोग भी आ जाएंगे. हमने ये भी देखा है कि सड़कों पर जब बुलडोजर चल रहे होते हैं, लोगों की लिंचिंग हो रही होती है,
आतंकवादी का
तब भी वहां
अपमान,
10-20-50
आतंकवादी का अपमान कम्युनिटी का अपमान नहीं होता. आतंकवादी संगठनों का अगर अपमान हो रहा है, अरफा, लश्कर तौयबा, जैश ए मोहम्मद का अपमान हो रहा है, क्या वो आपका अपमान है? क्या आप स्पोक्सपर्सन बनना चाहती हैं उनका?
First of all, nobody should be allowed to ridicule a particular community, that too in a
There is no
very
ridiculing of political
filthy,
community. There is
sexualized
the only
way.
ridiculing
I think
is of
this
terror
one
groups.
scene should
I
be
maintain
enough
that
for
the
sense
only
of God to
ridiculing
not
is
hear
of
this
terror
film.
groups.
ये नया भारत है, घर में घुस के मारता है. It seems to be reading from the BJP's playbook.
तो यार मेरे को एक बात बताओ कि मतलब what level of infantilization does Arfa want? भाई मैं एक mature adult हूँ. मैं पिक्चर देखने जा रहा हूँ, मुझे कोई ऐसे आके ना ऐसे मुझे घुट्टी पिलाएगा और मैं पी नहीं लेने वाला हूँ। I mean, for example, I might go and watch a religious film.
नहीं दोस्त, ये बताइए आप कंफर्टेबल हैं कि आपके प्राइवेट पार्ट्स के बारे में मजाक किया जाए, अपमान किया जाए? मुझे एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए आप।
आतंकवादी और गैंगस्टर तो करते हैं ना, उनकी लैंग्वेज ही वो है। आप रिसर्च तो कीजिए थोड़ा।
स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी बंद कर दो।
Padmaja, I'll read out a report that is very relevant in today's discussion.
Just a second, Arfa and Kushal, yes.
Yeah.
अब पद्मजा, टेल मी, ये कौन है यार? ये फिल्म क्रिटिक अभी मुझे बताएंगे, मेरे को पिक्चर देखनी है, मैं देखूंगा, मुझे अच्छी लगी, नहीं लगी यार। ये मतलब मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है हम लोग कर क्या रहे हैं। नहीं, वो आदरणीय है, इसके लिए उनका ओपिनियन मैटर करता है। वो क्या पता नहीं 4 किलो एक्स्ट्रा है उनका वजन, जो मैं सुनूं उनको जाके। मुझे जो देखना है मैं देखूंगा, मुझे जो नहीं देखना है मैं नहीं देखूंगा। मतलब ये तो ऐसा हो गया, तू देखेगा पिक्चर क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने बोला तुझे देखने को। भाई क्या हम पागल हो गए हैं इस देश में कि हम लोग अरे पिक्चर है, देखनी है देखो, नहीं देखनी नहीं देखो। कॉमेडियन है, सुनना है सुनो, नहीं सुनना है नहीं सुनो। मैं वो आदमी हूं जो कुणाल कामरा को भी सपोर्ट करने के लिए उतरा था। संजय झा जानते हैं, संजय झा के साथ ही उतरा था कुणाल कामरा को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। कौन सा मैं कुणाल कामरा की पॉलिटिक्स से एग्री करता हूं, मगर मैं कुणाल कामरा के लिए भी उठा था। यार हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? आर वी इन्फेंटिलाइजिंग पीपल? कि मैं कोई 2 साल का बच्चा हूं, मुझे कोई आके बताएगा तू है ना, और सुन ओए पुत्र, तू ऐसा नहीं करना, तू ये सुनेगा।
Such a privileged point of view that is.
इसमें privilege क्या है?
I agree with Kushal.
No, how is this a privileged point of view? Look, all kinds
to do that, to draw any parallels with Nazi Germany. But now I think I'm being forced to give this example. I want to give you an example of triumph of the will. I'm sure as a student of communication like I am, you would also understand the kind of havoc this one documentary which was produced and directed and supported by Hitler, and the kind of hate
then why
and
is Iltija Mufti praising it?
And
are you saying that Iltija Mufti is in some way aligning with Nazi Germany?
Kind of, no, I am saying
or
the
Nazi-like propaganda in India.
I really liked the movie. I seriously enjoyed the movie. I didn't find it to be Islamophobic. I, in fact, even didn't find it to be anti-Pakistan. I think the core of the movie is how the Pakistani state apparatus tries to harm India. That is one very small core. But the real core of the movie is actually Karachi Mafia. And it's all about how Karachi Mafia is. And then, you know, how two state apparatuses, the Indian and the Pakistani state apparatuses, use Karachi Mafia. Because this is from an Indian point of view of their mafia. It's not like the Pakistanis must not be using our mafia. Just trying to say, so it's a very good movie. Acting, sab logon ne bahut achhi ki hai. The camera shots and everything. It's a really well-made movie, a really professional movie. Yes, the violent scenes are slightly gory, and that I admit. Like my mom found it to be very violent, but my mom understood the intent of the movie, but she found it to be very violent. She's like, "Baap re, mere liye nahi hai," and gali galoch wo sab. But other than that, terrific movie. I loved it. I watched it twice.